Doing?
Pine cone.
What are we going to make with the pine cones?
Peanut butter.
What are we going to do with the peanut butter?
We're going to take it off here and put them on here.
And then what are we going to make with it?
Pine cone.
Bird feeder, yeah. Ethan's helping too.
I'm making a pine cone.
Want Daddy to help? You want Mama to help or Daddy to help?
Mama.
Okay.
You get on.
Get on there real good. You gotta get it on there real good.
Oh, the pine cone. Bird feeder. Bird feeder. I know.
You gotta put a lot on there, like this.
No, I have to have a pine
You
cone.
gonna do your own? Okay. Yeah, this is the pain in the butt part.
You
You're
have
recording
to
this, aren't you?
do this.
Here, here, give me your spoon and I'll get a whole bunch on.
Okay, what are we doing now?
And roll it. Oh,
Roll
it.
it. Roll it. Roll it.
Oh,
Roll
it.
it. Oh, that looks good. Don't fly on it.
Yeah, we put a pine cone bird feeder.
Yay!
That looks pretty good.
Now let's make this one.
Yep, nope, get the peanut butter one. Grab the peanut butter one. We gotta grab this one. Let's try this one.
Let's try that one.
Pretty.
That's pretty. Look. Hey, you wanna do this one?
Do that one. Just get it all over your hands. Go for it.
Go for it.
Roll it in there. There you go.
Good job, Bubba.
Good job.
You're doing good job.
You're doing great.
It's sticking.
Yep. Is the peanut butter sticky?
Yeah.
I know, I got it all over me too.
It's alright.
It's alright. We'll wash our hands when we get done. Oh, this works too. These turned out pretty. These look pretty, Ryan. Let's just have
Yay.
Don't quit. Don't put it in our garage. We'll have mice for sure. Alright, I think we got them.
We're done.
Hey, Ryan, go watch Daddy. He's gonna hang it.
We made pine cones. We're making pine cones. We made 4 pine cones. Yay! Pine cone bird feeder.
I already hear the birdies.
We could do that.